Hi, class. This is Dr. Yankowski, and I wanted to just provide you with an overview of the course in Moodle and things to pay attention to. So once you log into the course, and I'm just using the child psychology course as a template, most of my online courses will be structured in the same way. So don't worry too much about the course itself. What you'll notice, uh, when you scroll down first are all of the topic due dates. So they're bolded, they're highlighted. So the first thing that you should do is make a note of all of these due dates in your personal calendar and your phone somewhere so you don't forget. I try to keep them as uniform as possible. Sometimes it isn't, but for the course that I'm teaching this summer in child psychology, you can see here I kept all of the topic due dates as a Sunday. But remember, the final exam may differ from the day of the week when the topic assignments are due, and that's just because the date of the last class falls on a Thursday. So you can see here the final exam is not on a Sunday, it's on a Thursday. So if this is a different course than the child psychology course, just make note of that because sometimes there is a difference in the day of the week when the assignments are due. But you'll always see the topic due dates here. When you scroll down, the first day of class, you should read through the highlighted blue area where it says, before beginning the course, read through the Start Here materials. Please do that. What you're going to be able to access in the Start Here materials for the whole term is the syllabus. I have an introduction. I have textbook information. And if we're using Connect, that will also be highlighted here for all of you, my late work policy. So please read through all that. All of these are important. The writing assignment expectations, my expectations for APA format, my grading criteria, all of that could be found here in the blue highlighted area. Please, please, please read through this so you have an understanding of what my expectations are. You have an understanding of the due dates, the syllabus, all of that before the first day. And if you have any questions, certainly email me. As you scroll down, you'll see that the course is broken down into various topics. Each topic will have associated chapters that you have to read from the textbook. And it's important to note that there are typically 2 assignments per topic. You have a writing assignment and a quiz. The writing assignment, when you click on that folder, you have all of the questions that you have to respond to thoroughly. So read through the writing assignment expectations that I've highlighted in the Start Here chapter, or the Start Here area in Moodle. So topic 1, writing assignment that you're going to type up and submit to Moodle before the due date, and the quiz that you're going to take. Typically, the quiz is going to be in Connect. Both of these are going to be due at the due date for topic 1. You can see here, Sunday, July 8th. I also have it here, July 8th. Topic 2, topic 3, topic 4 in this course will run the same way. Writing assignment, quiz. Writing assignment, quiz. Writing assignment, quiz. And then under each quiz are videos that I think supplement the material that we're learning. So I encourage you to watch them. If you have any ideas of videos that you think would fit into the course, please email me and let me know because I'm always looking for new material. And if there's a link that doesn't work, sometimes YouTube takes videos down, puts videos back up. If one of the links doesn't work, I try to check them before the term, but sometimes during the term, the video can be taken down. Just email me and I'll try to find either the same one or an associated one. So that's what these videos are linked to. These are, I think, good supplements to the material that we're learning in each topic. And then you'll see here, the final exam has its own link, and I give you directions. and then I give you the link to the final exam. So that's a pretty good overview of the course in Moodle.